So hello again to everybody. In this video, I will try to explain to the people how easily could be to heal ourselves, understanding who we are and where we are and what is the earth. Okay. So in one of my previous videos, I explained that for me this is a view of our baby earth from kind of above point of view of the stomach area. So here is the kidney, okay, this is the bile gland connected, so to speak, to from the liver, and here is the other kidney, okay. So here because I'm not obstetrician doctor, okay, I would need obviously help by our people who know all this stuff. So I try to explain to the people that because these are ribs, okay, view of the ribs, this is the stomach area, okay, and for me only because, as I told you, they understood better of this stuff, but you know, I'm not so stupid to don't understand anyway. So we see here this bluish, more blue bubble connected with a little duct toward another blue bubble. There are four, so to speak, kind of, and from my point of view, this could be the liver area. Yeah, I'm not quite sure of that. Now, to make you understand a little more about what I'm talking about, I find this video is about the fetal gastrointestinal tract, and this video treats the subject about the esophageal atresia and duodenal atresia. Now, what is that? That is that when the baby in the womb swallow blood, okay, I hope that you hear me well. So when the baby in the womb, the fetus, swallow blood, okay, or meconium, so to speak, that is the poo of the baby in the womb, they do that, and pee also. The baby can have obstruction in the esophageal and in the stomach with stuff, and can get kind of indigestion, so to speak, and this could lead to problems, very big issues. So this is a view of the thorax of a fetus, and this is the stomach area, okay, and you can find the video, even with, if I will not give you the link, is educational radiology channel. These videos are made by doctors, okay, and they explained that this could form and could lead to big healthy problems to a fetus. Now I want you to observe the similar okay, thing that we see here, and I want also to that the people, if you don't remember, that was in 1800s, okay, cholera and so on. That Martin Litke made a video about the miasma, or the bad air that poison, so to speak, you know, the people in England, France, Europe, so to speak, and they got sick and died a lot. Too much people in a few years to be a normal thing. But the air was filled with this miasma stuff, you know. So in this video I want to propose that what we are seeing here is our baby Earth with the ribs, okay, here. And because what we are seeing is like when you see with ultrasound, okay, images, we can see the stomach area and the indigestion, so to speak, that our baby Earth happened to have few hundred years ago, and that thing lead us to an illness, okay. So our baby Earth swallowed blood, okay. So the sickness came from the mouth through esophagus, okay, and esophageal tract, and toward the stomach area, okay, and formed, so to speak, ill state, okay, issue with the health of our baby, and we cannot, we are still ill, sick, you know. So now there is obviously a problem. We are trying, so to speak, to heal ourselves, but we are not trying because it stands in our hands to heal this Earth, this baby. It's our duty, so to speak, to heal him. So because I am not an obstetrician doctor, I cannot understand if this is a good situation, if this is an obstruction of the duodenal and intestinal tract that will lead to a very big issue, problem in this area, will provoke this healthy problem, will provoke huge movements of baby Earth, okay, that will agitate, so to speak. And by the way, now in this area where the mouth is, don't think that the map is correct. The map is not correct. This is not that distance here. That is shorter, the distance. It's because they stretch the image. Obviously, we cannot see very well the real form, so to speak. But there is a problem again with the red marea, okay, the red tide, and that's not good at all, people, because if our baby Earth will swallow again that stuff, and seem that he is swallowing that stuff again, we all will have again very huge problems. Now, in which way this blood came? Now, because we are attacked by virus people, okay, bacteria people that seem like us, but they don't like us. They are not like us, you know. They have submarines and big petroleum platforms and so on. So they dig into parts, okay, and they provoke hemorrhage, and that blood little by little get into the amniotic fluid and will be swallowed by our baby, okay, and this will lead toward very big issues on health, okay. So I hope that you see what I'm seeing, you know, because this is one of the elbow and the hand, okay, the ribs, and this is wrong made because it's not like that. Here we have the other kidney, and most probably this is part of the other arm. This is you know, plie underneath the baby, so to speak, in kind of a or is part of the abdominal, you know, cavity. But this for sure is the stomach area, and here we got a problem, as they explain, the doctors explain in fetal ultrasound, okay, babies, how these problems came into be, okay. So there are very bigger issue than we can observe at the moment on our Earth, Google Earth, and I believe that stand in our power to realize what we are and what is the Earth, and to heal this baby, because it stands in our power and in our hands. We can dig do you see here in ultrasound findings dilated bowel, in particularly U or V-shaped in lower abdomen or pelvis. So they can, if somebody in this earth would believe me, would understand that we have the possibility, you know, to destroy all the intestinal problems. It is in our hands, you know, our future and everlasting life, if you want, stand in our power, and to clear the kidney, you know, to clear the path. Here is kind of blocked, and I think that soon we will see kind of issues in this part, you know, because this water will try to get out and to flow, but here there are some obstruction, and we as people, you know, we can clear, you know, this path. We can do it. But when you see this sign, a reserve or something, it's that the virus, people don't want to heal this baby, and they don't permit to anybody to go there to help, to work, okay, and to save all of us and this baby. So the explanation of the doctors is that these issues will do in future, will make big problems. I'm trying to find another image that explain. There are many videos correlated to this kind of things, and what we are seeing at the North Pole is the internal part that is coming from the esophageal, you know,